Hey everybody, today we are going to showcase vertical racking and how to get airflow into the most dense spaces inside your facility. So as you can see in this facility, we've got a main flower room over here and we've got another 3 flower rooms. So in this case, there's 2 different setups. So we're trying to showcase the racking and showcase just regular raised beds in these other 3 flower rooms. On the right over here, we've got the veg room, and the veg room is going to have very dense 4 tiers of plants. And where these little gray things are, those are going to be where the wall fans in the middle of the racking is going to help to distribute the air inside the veg room. As you can see on the back of the facility here, they've got the clone room. So they're going to have all their babies and all their clones in there, basically with a 5-ton system, transitioning them into the veg room over here. And then they're going to basically be just walking them down the hall and filling up all these flower rooms. So as you can see over here for flower room 1, we've got the vertical setup here where they've got 4 different levels. And as you can see, of all the 5-ton systems, there's 6 in there. So they've ultimately got quite a dense heat load. And as you know, on each one of these tiers, you're going to have quite a few LED lights. And there's going to be a tremendously dense heat load, especially with high humidity. And that's why with our Evolution series, we've set up the systems along the walls, and we've got all the ducting running down a 1-foot chaseway on each side of the walls. We have custom air dispersion coming out the ducting to blow into each level and to blow across and meet in the very middle rack. So in the very middle rack, they've got some 200 CFM fans that sit at the very end that are just pushing the air back towards the return air of these systems. They're going to have fans on the back here blowing down this aisleway back to the return air of these systems. So that way we're able to treat all the air. We're able to get air into the densest spaces inside each level. This facility is very aggressive in the way that they're doing things. As you can see around the back here, back side of the facility, they've got a nice dry cure setup here. By the looks of it, they're going to have over 1,000 pounds wet because they've got 2 5-ton systems in there. So they're going to have a lot of wet product coming in. Generally what happens, rule of thumb, is 20% will come out dry. This is the way that a lot of guys are changing the way they're growing. They're going from the raised bed style that you can see here, and they're transitioning over to the vertical racking because you can get 2 to 3 times more product inside the room. But the hardest part is getting the airflow and engineering the HVAC and the environmental control to be able to fully do and accomplish what you need in your facility over the course of your 3 to 4 rounds per year.